Guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I said this is an Along Handa. It's Ahalia Hospital, Sandan Street. It's Along Hamdan to in between Khalifa Street. I don't know what happened to my camera a while ago. The seating became very not good. And you see in my back is the brown building, the WTC Mall. WTC Mall, the brown building. See, that brown building in my back. It's WTC Mall. This one is between Hamdan and Khalifa. It's WTC Mall. Oh my god. There, that brown building is WTC Mall. Oh my god, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, give a comment, or suggestion, and don't forget to subscribe to the video. I just buy what I need to cook for breakfast for them. There is no in Lulu. They don't have in Lulu. That's why I went to Big Mart to buy. Yeah, you want to see it. Yeah, in between Khalifa and Hamdan. Yeah. Between Khalifa Hamdan. The sun is not coming out yet. Maybe because still early. And the sun is hiding in the back of the high building. That's why I cannot see the sun yet. I just need to, that's the, anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click heart, leave a comment or suggestion, and of course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye. See, the sun is not coming out. Bye guys.